Hello friends, today I tell you about automatic roti maker machine. Rotimatic is the world's first robotic kitchen appliance which prints garam rotis. Basically a smart device that measures, kneads, prepares dough, flattens the rotis, cooks and puffs the rotis in just 90 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, in just 90 seconds. All you need to do is to fill it with the flour, water and oil to its corresponding containers. And then set your preferences like roast level, thickness of roti and the most important one, number of rotis. The next big task is to hit the play button and confirm that you want to make roti. So what is this rotimatic and how does it works? Once the start button is pushed, the machine would start preparing the dough by dispensing wheat flour, water and oil. It automatically calculates the quantity of each ingredient to prepare a soft dough. It comes with inbuilt press to roll the rotis to a desired thickness. Finally, the rotis are cooked and puffed with its inbuilt griddle before pushing it out from its outlet. The entire step is repeated for the next roti and the rotis are delivered sequentially. Having said that, it does multi-tasking too. So when the first rotis are pressed in its pressing container, the dough making container starts with the second roti. So technically the subsequent rotis should take around 60 to 70 seconds compared to the first one of 90 seconds. How does rotis taste? Are the rotis soft? Certainly the rotis are amazingly soft. The fact that you can control the thickness and roast level of roti makes it perfect roti machine and can meet any individual preference. The rotis would have crisp outer layer and more doughy inner layer. Also, the rotis would be cooked perfectly and evenly without any uncooked portion. I personally like the consistency part of the rotimatic. I tried with the two different brands of wheat flour and each roti in a batch looks identical to one another. It supports multiple brands of wheat flour and works with whole wheat and multigrain flour atta. How many rotis for a small family? The best part of rotimatic is the selection of number of rotis before starting the machine. The machine can take an input of 1 to 20 rotis in a single batch. But you may have to refill the wheat flour and water after 13 to 14 rotis. The machine would notify in its screen to top up the respective ingredients if it is running low with wheat flour, water or oil. In short, for a family of 2 to 3, you may require 11 to 13 rotis based on individual appetite. What else rotimatic can do? I guess most of them would be under impression that rotimatic is just for rotis. Or you may think, should we buy a board just for rotis? Well, the answer is rotimatic is not just for rotis. It prepared masala roti, palak roti, tortilla, pizza and even puris. But the puris has to be deep fried separately as it would deliver only puri disc. I was skeptical with the puri, but I was delightfully surprised with the outcome of puri. How easy is the cleaning? Thank God, cleaning is very easy with rotimatic machine. You do not have to clean the entire machine on a daily basis. I only clean two small transparent parts on a daily basis after each use. Basically, these two parts are used for dough making and can be accessed via side door of machine. It can be easily brushed and rotimatic comes with these custom brushes. Alternatively, you can use dishwasher too. The reason I clean it daily because it may have traces of wet dough and if not cleaned may block the machine movement. Whereas the container for wheat, water and oil can be cleaned once in a week. Again, it is dishwasher safe. Is it really a worth investing? It is definitely a big investment, but I personally feel Romatic's versatility is well worth the price. It saves time and after all, time is money. Currently it is priced as $999 USD. However, if you order via Hedberg's Kitchen, you would receive a flat 7.5% discount with no waiting and priority order. Let me also explain why buying rotimatic is a good investment. Let's assume if you are depending on frozen rotis, in this case you would be not only spending fortunes but also end up having preservatives coated rotis on daily basis. Secondly, if you are a working couple, then you will be saving a minimum of 30 minutes of your daily chores. Lastly, rotimatic is not just for rotis, it also makes puri, tortilla, pizza and masala rotis. Rotimatic is best for those who are not good in making rotis or who do not have time but still miss eating healthy. It makes your life easy as even a kid can operate the machine. In short, the rotis taste a lot better when compared to frozen rotis or pre-packed chapti roti. Period. Final verdict, Rotimatic is a great product. It is versatile, it saves time and starts paying for itself in just 6 months. It also gets smarter with time and learns from what you feed it ingredients. It is ideal for those who are not good in making rotis or do not prefer to prepare because of lack of time, lifestyle. Rotis are anytime better than frozen rotis. Anyone can prepare homemade and fresh rotis with a single touch. I would certainly recommend this product. Thank you. Have a nice day.